Hello fam jams and welcome back to my channel. I'm holding a purple flower here for all you lovely men, women, and teenagers out there. I'm super excited. Yes, I am. I'm super excited filming here in my kitchen, different change of scenery. And you know what? I'm going to be talking today about a specific product that is on the market that you do not want to miss out on. So stay tuned. It's actually the Pixie. And when I say Pixie, it's from Pixie Beauty. It's actually the Pixie Glow Tonic. And this Pixie Glow Tonic has won a numerous amount of awards. If you go on to pixiebeauty.com, you have 5 stars on almost all their products. So this is my fake flower, just so you know. I'm not really good at taking, care of flowers. So anyways, this is to you guys and all my viewers and new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I'm Kenzie Craig Michaels. Make sure you watch this through the very end. Give it a thumbs up, a like, leave a comment in the comment section if you've ever used Pixie Beauty products before. And we are going to begin right now. So a milestone is happening today. This is my 100th episode. That's right, my 100th channel episode. So woohoo, everyone. Thank you so much for all your support. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And you know what? Yes, I'm filming live in my kitchen just for a change of scenery. So we are going to talk about the Pixie Glow Tonic. Now, if you've never used the Pixie Glow Tonic, it's an absolutely amazing product. The reviews on it are absolutely outstanding. And I'm not trying to break the product here by hitting it, but you know what? I've been using this product now for a week or so, and my skin absolutely adores it. So I'm going to explain to you all the features and benefits, and you guys can go to your local drugstore and pick this up. It's almost like a beauty cult favorite now, and it's actually called the Pixie Glow Tonic. So Pixie Glow Tonic from Pixie Beauty. It's not tested on animals, and it's alcohol free, so it's not going to dry out your skin. It's for all skin types as well, and it gently exfoliates the skin. And when I say gently exfoliates the skin, it has won numerous awards, and especially the Teen Vogue Award for Best Acne Product on the market in 2017. So go on to the Pixie Beauty website and check out all of their products. I will be reviewing another product tomorrow, which is the retinol based product, and you guys have to try this product. If you don't try it, I'm going to be very disappointed, because you know what? It's an amazing product, and for the price point of only $22 US, you can get a larger size as well. I think this is 100 ml for maybe $15. So it's a great investment in your skin. So I'm just going to remove my glasses so you guys can see. Now it actually recommends, I just give it a little shake up. And what I recommend, it comes actually with a little daughter. And what's super great about this, it recommends using a cotton ball to actually apply it. So when you're actually applying it, you're going to go over your forehead, down the bridge of your nose. It helps to reduce sebum production. It helps to exfoliate those pores as well. And it basically helps to exfoliate all those dead skin cells off your face that we basically have. So it is a chemical exfoliant. So instead of using a cotton ball, because I don't actually like cotton balls, I'm actually going to use one of my Shiseido cotton pads. So I'm just going to put a couple of drops onto this. You do not need very much of it. And when I say chemical exfoliant, I'm referring to an AHA. So what is an AHA? It's an alpha hydroxy acid. And this actually contains a gentle solution of 5% glycolic acid. So it's a very intoxicating, invigorating product. And when you apply it, you'll notice you have that invigorating feeling because it has the red ginseng in it. So we're going to apply it. You want to avoid the eye area, forehead, down the bridge of your nose. And when I say chemical exfoliant, what a chemical exfoliant actually does, it removes dead skin cells from your skin, as opposed to a manual scrub. And when I say manual scrub, I'm referring to like a beaded granule scrub that people use 2 or 3 times a week. With the gentle exfoliant with the 5% glycolic acid in it, the AHA, you're going to use less of the product and you're going to see a fabulous result. So I'm applying it down the bridge of my nose, just like so. And it's super invigorating with the red ginseng in it. Super invigorating. And what it will do is we'll remove all those residual traces of dead skin cells from your face. So I would highly recommend this product. You know, it's suitable for all skin types, really great for oily skin, right around the nose area, you know, especially if you get blackheads, especially if you're trying to deal with acneic skin as well, you know, with that AHA in it and the 5% glycolic. It's very, very soothing on the skin. You're not going to find that it's harsh at all. And you know, the Pixie Glow Tonic is one of the most amazing products on the market. So you guys need to go and actually, so with that, there's really nothing on my cotton pad. You would actually follow it with a repair serum. Let this soak, guys, for probably about, you know, a minute or two before you apply your repair serum. It's a super amazing product. The Pixie Glow Tonic, featured on Kenzie Craig Michaels. And if you haven't left a message for me in regards to the Salt and Pepper and who your favorite singer is for the free giveaway for March, make sure you do so. If you tried Pixie Glow, leave a comment in my comment section, give this video a thumbs up, a like, and you know what? For all new subscribers, make sure that you refer people, because you know what? There's gonna be a secret contest coming up. So a special Pixie Glow review. Make sure that you watch this Pixie Glow review. I know it's a hard thing to say, Pixie Glow review. And you know, super invigorating with the red ginseng in it. Super invigorating for all skin types. Has your alpha hydroxy acid in it with your 5% glycolic acid, which sheds the dead skin cells off your face. And you will see a glow to your skin, and it preps your skin for makeup application as well. So take care, everyone, and I will see you soon. Woohoo! 100th episode. So proud, and so proud of you guys for watching my channel. Cheers, everyone. And if you haven't done so already, give it a like and make sure you watch this right to the end. Cheers, everyone. Bye.